Hello and welcome to OptinMonster. Our page-level targeting feature allows you to create page-specific campaigns based on behavior personalization that generates more leads, attracts more subscribers, and drives more sales. Page-level targeting is especially effective for e-commerce. Use this feature to show certain offers on your highest value or highest converting pages, such as pages customers usually visit before they buy. One way e-commerce retailers use page-level targeting is to segment new and repeat visitors to show them different offers. When you combine page-level targeting with OptinMonster's signature exit intent technology, you can reduce shopping cart abandonment with a well-timed, targeted discount coupon. You can also use OptinMonster to show related products to visitors who have just completed a purchase, potentially increasing your sales even more. And if you want to segment your offers according to the source of your visitors, you can combine page-level targeting with referral detection to show different offers on different landing pages. Are you using your best content for lead generation? OptinMonster's page-level targeting is the perfect way to create offers on top-performing content. The more people see your offer, the better chance they will subscribe. Our page-specific targeting rules let you turn your best content into a conversion machine. And when you combine page-level targeting with OptinMonster's other advanced display rules, you can segment your audience according to referral source, location, and even device. So, are you ready to increase email signups and boost sales with fine-tuned visitor targeting? Use the code in the description to receive a special discount and create your risk-free OptinMonster account today.